As you graduate today, you are joining the global community of alumni. We are honored to welcome members of the class of 1976 who joined us to mark the 50th anniversary of the graduation. Their journeys remind us that the education you received at HKU Engineering is not simply preparation for your first job or career. It is the foundation for lifelong learning, contribution, and leadership.
Let your technology have a heartbeat. Ask yourself, does this make life better? Your code is not only logic, it is legacy. Pursuing meaning, not just milestones. Your most valuable achievements may not be awards. They may be the people who benefit quietly because you build with integrity. Never walk alone. Be grateful, then pay it forward. Connect, mentor, serve.
The ability to connect knowledge across discipline will be becoming just as important as technical depth. The quality that will bring to distinguish human beings are judgment, accountability, creativity, and an unwavering pursuit of excellence. These are the very foundations of craftsmanship.
HKU has equipped you with knowledge, discipline, critical thinking, and the ability to solve complex problems. Those strengths will open doors for you. What keeps those doors open is your willingness to keep growing. The future is yours to build. Go and own it.
Guided by the HKU motto, Sapientia et Virtus, wisdom and virtue, I hope you will use your talents not only with skill, but also with conscience, to build technologies that are intelligent, yet humane, efficient, yet inclusive, innovative, yet responsible.